Fixes. He fixes the leaky faucet. Reads. She reads a novel. Help. They help their grandparents. Drive. I drive to work. Watch. We watch a movie. Gardens. He gardens on weekends. Meditates. She meditates for relaxation. Write. They write thank you notes. Clean. I clean my room. Bikes. He bikes to the park. Studies. She studies for a test. Run. We run a marathon. Paint. They paint the walls. Teach. I teach a yoga class. Plants. He plants trees in the garden. Swims. She swims in the river. Travel. They travel to exotic destinations. Play. I play chess with my friend. Reads. He reads a biography. Cooks. She cooks a gourmet meal. Dance. We dance at the wedding. Watch. They watch a documentary. Drive. I drive across the country. Helps. He helps a stranded motorist. Watches. She watches the sunrise. Build. They build a treehouse. Listen. I listen to classical music. Writes. He writes a letter. Plants. She plants flowers in the backyard. Study. We study art history. Play. They play chess in the park. Exercise. I exercise regularly. Watches. He watches the football game. Bakes. She bakes a birthday cake. Travel. They travel for business. Dance. I dance at a party. Reads. He reads a mystery novel. Swims. She swims in the lake. Play. We play board games. Write. They write in their journals. Teach. I teach a cooking class. Plants. He plants vegetables in the garden. Watches. She watches the stars at night. Study. They study for exams together. Paint. I paint a landscape. Bikes. He bikes to the beach. Cooks. She cooks breakfast. Watch. We watch a comedy show. Dance. They dance to the music. Help. I help my neighbor with groceries. Cook. I cook a delicious meal. Runs. She runs every morning. Reads. He reads a book before bedtime. Barks. The dog barks loudly. Swim. They swim in the pool. Write. I write in my journal. Eat. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Listens. He listens to music. Dances. She dances gracefully. Sleeps. The cat sleeps on the couch. Play. They play soccer in the park. Study. I study for exams. Watches. He watches TV after work. Drive. We drive to school. Cooks. She cooks dinner for the family. Clean. They clean the house on weekends. Talk. I talk to my friends on the phone. Sing. The birds sing in the morning. Fixes. He fixes the car himself. Paints. She paints a beautiful picture. Travel. We travel to different countries. Plant. They plant flowers in the garden. Teach. I teach English to children. Helps. He helps his neighbors. Plays. She plays the piano beautifully. Build. They build a sandcastle at the beach. Meet. I meet my friends for coffee. Reads. He reads the newspaper every day. Rides. She rides her bike to work. Watch. We watch the sunset. Volunteer. They volunteer at the local shelter. Take. I take a hot shower. Drives. He drives carefully. Bakes. She bakes cookies for the party. Fish. They fish at the lake. Exercise. I exercise at the gym. Celebrate. We celebrate birthdays with cake. Writes. He writes poetry. Checks. She checks her email. Skate. They skate at the ice rink. Plan. I plan a vacation. Washes. He washes the dishes. Listens. She listens to a podcast. Hike. We hike in the mountains. Study. They study together at the library. Play. I play the guitar. Draws. He draws a beautiful picture. Sings. She sings in the choir. Swim. We swim in the ocean. Travel. They travel by train. Arrange. I arrange the books on the shelf. Discover. She discovers new places while traveling. Repair. He repairs old furniture at home. Organize. We organize a charity event every year. Improve. They improve their skills through practice. Design. I design posters for social media. Explore. She explores nature on weekends. Deliver. He delivers packages on time. Manage. She manages the office efficiently. Create. We create content for our channel. Observe. They observe birds in the park. Practice. I practice English every day. Collect. He collects stamps as a hobby. Decorate. She decorates the room for celebrations. Prepare. We prepare notes for the exam. Repair. They repair the road after rain. Guide. He guides tourists in the city. Support. She supports her team at work. Record. I record videos for my course. Analyze. We analyze the results carefully. Protect. They protect the environment. Deliver. She delivers a speech confidently. Measure. He measures the ingredients accurately. Invent. They invent new ideas together. Update. I update my skills regularly. Communicate. She communicates clearly with clients. Inspect. He inspects the building for safety. Motivate. We motivate students to learn. Schedule. They schedule meetings weekly. Solve. I solve problems calmly.